Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good at home. This is Priyanka, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the topic being good. And today we will learn about health and hygiene. So, the topic for the day is health and hygiene and oral hygiene. Before going to start our session, let's listen a story about the Jeremy and Sam. Once upon a time, Jeremy lived inside Sam's mouth. He liked to stay in Sam's mouth, and when it had not been brushed. Yes, Jeremy says, I am a hungry and smelly germ. He ate the food that was stuck to Sam's tooth. Then Jeremy gave out a bad smell. Sam wanted his mouth to smell good. So he decided to teach the Jeremy a lesson. He learned to brush his teeth properly. Oh no, I can't stay in a clean mouth. I need a dirty mouth. Sam brushed his teeth after every meal. Jeremy had nothing to eat anymore. He had to leave his home inside Sam's mouth and say Tata to Sam. So, moral of the story is we have to brush our teeth twice a day after a dinner and after getting up from the bed. Students, look here. Now I have some flashcards for you. A toothbrush, a tube of toothpaste, a bottle of mouthwash, and a roll of dental floss. Students, tell me, do you know what is the use of these items? Yes, mouthwash. Mouthwash is used to rinse the mouth after brushing the teeth and even after the meals to remove bad breath. Yes, students, some food items has ever got stuck between your teeth. How you will remove it? Yes, teeth are so close together. Sometimes a toothbrush cannot reach in between. So we use a thread like thing called dental floss to clean in between the teeth. Look here, this is a picture of plant, and tooth also looks like a plant. We can see the top of the tooth that looks like a plant. Teeth also have roots that help them stay in place inside the mouth. Now let's do an activity. For the activity, we need a sheet of paper. Students, try to draw a picture of tooth on this paper and stand in front of the mirror. Now count your teeth and write the number of teeth. Write the number of the teeth downside this sheet of paper. You have drawn the teeth. Write your number of teeth on this paper. Now, after doing this activity, let's recite the rhyme brush your teeth. Yes, students, brush your teeth nice and clean. Brush your teeth nice and clean. Clean your teeth in between. Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth up and down. Scrub your teeth round and round. Students, after reciting this rhyme, now tell me, Look here, this is a page number 13. Open your book at page number 13. Neat and clean. Choose the correct objects to clean these parts of the body. Yes, look here into the first set. Hands. You have to wash your hands and tell me the objects, which objects you want to use it. Yes, flour, utensil or a soap. Yes, make a circle around the soap. Next picture, look here, these are teeth and three objects are here. One is toothpaste, second is alarm and third one is umbrella. We want the toothpaste and toothbrush for cleaning the teeth. Now next, here we want the comb to tie the hair. Into the last set, here is a picture of feet and also the nails of the toes. We want the nail cutter for trim the nails. After doing this page, now students, look here, these are the set of teeth and tell me what time of the day you brush your teeth and which is your favorite toothpaste and toothbrush. Yes students, identify the parts of body. Yes, look here, identify the color of your teeth and tell the color of your teeth to your parents. Yes, now look here students, after this recite all the rhymes we have already learned in the previous session. Have you enjoyed the session? Stay connected with your school and with your teachers. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.